Since 2018, California law requires that when every new garage door opener installed, that it has a battery backup. If your motor was installed prior to your home having permanent power, then the manufacturer recommends that the backup battery is not connected until there is permanent power. First, you will remove the light cover. Please pull down. I would recommend removing the light bulb if there's one installed. And then you'll have to remove one screw in order for access to the backup battery. Once you remove the cover, you'll see that the backup battery is there. The negative black terminal should already be plugged in. You'll just have to take the positive red terminal and connect it. Now, it will take 6 to 8 hours for the backup battery to fully charge, and you'll also need to make sure that the motor itself is plugged into the permanent power.